quiet.
It's okay, darling, almost there. Faster, please. She's in labor. These are not my cubs. I don't want them.
Can't believe how lucky I am.
Oh, stop it, you. You say that every time we go out.
But I feel the same way.
Oh, how sweet and poor they are. Where are their parents, I wonder?
I want to take them both with us, darling.
One is enough. We'll leave the other.
Good baby. Yes, drink it all up. My precious little kitten.
Happy birthday to you.
Whispers twitch, the day feels right.
It's finally the end of the day. The gardens look amazing in this light. Let's go play by the fountain.
This is the best fried chicken I've had in ages.
It truly is, darling, and this moment is perfect.
Yummy in my tummy.